Ghana the Shimama Mamunina Chimama Kwaba. The AHENKAN933FM FM so Ingache and Pomti saying, a yansima dubia civi general na John Yesia John pay. Ye de baba sumusano pano sia akankasie, and sana diaba de esosopa, a chabua prekis many, and unti and a mega joseph or down paswa. But what they have found to my crew, Nanjungu assume say, you. What drink Chebiano now, their 0594 841044 na Facebook Live and YouTube o search AHENKAN933FM awudem won sabeka ye de edinam bi enano pay and say openyini bi dia baba tuja se Ghana enwema bu onma ye kran ni kwasenke ye kran dodo nanso ye kran dodo pa ma de okatwitwiri die e ba yeso
Mampeni ya bedi eche Dr. Mahamadu Baumia wakofru simpieni apa o na wadi atudwa kyeresa adisuafo amwon to aso suku no asem de wa kasie mu wobete
kane me yoma Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly KMA openyini dia baba tudwa se he ebre ni du se wo mu kwakoto primaries na kane mampeni owura John Dramani Mahama oni ni besie ni papa nyasem ketwa
NDC amanyukwane nrada friends and trofo shemu na wamu de dana tudwa wamu si wamu bebie nomination so presidential ni parliamentary ni nyina edakro na
yebetra bosompo akobi maso na Africa ya yenuanom ba ko Gambia anopei sem no ken womanti asemde kra rosem kase pa abo Zambia fo mdi nchemu hebeba besomu
ebusua anopei ensem yenum na semufo asamukroje dia mayesi amekenkan emawo na sepiesi enkoma ye boafo a wamo agepenie so yanse atata na anupeyi wachiman Development Association wasi yenkambo mu na yempri empumtuo ema wachiman afei AHENKAN933FM Marketing Department fantuma bebo ye dianwe na yeni edwa wamadaroma na anupeyi so yatuna siensem no ye bekenkan ade amawo no wahye so ense nemu ede na emu ehwamuntini information centers ebebura dionum ni echire wo Ghana epoye mantema fana bebia wamo ato apetia wo bia etie ebi
obi atie bi de na kenkanfo ya bekenkam obi atie bi no yedin edi kwaku anin kusi buadumene
mame akia janewa afei abusia ensem no enchiremu ya shaka siana sena ya dieni chiremu wa mampeni ya bedi eche Dr. Mahamadu Baumia asweye eni enanu brade etwe mwokopie mu ewa University of Ghana Legon na chasa fifu fra yesim ya fe na wamu dia wama bie school ntiwei eye New Year school na mampeni ya bedi eche kwa kopie mu owo eko fru simpie ni ya padding sama hodro tudwa na chasa washa edisuafo ni nkransa afi so no wamu hye ese wam edisuan sembetimi akwankan wamu modi ye pasa afi etwe mu no ne wama ntimi anye wa edisuan mu bia na afi so no wambetimi yes ne bia wamo ebekwankan na wadin sama ahodro tudwa na ne wakasa yem efa digitalization wo sensema wo kyeresa aban no egusu ehwesa digitalization betimi akoso enu ti ukokopie mu ewanto asosu ku ahodro mu a wifi wamo bo hu dero no wose ebi mu anya wamo de wamo nya wamo de no so no ehyehyɛ ni guapon so wamo hwesa ententempara so wifi ni betimi aye adwuma ewanto asosu ku ni su apon ahodro mu enu echi ana mampeni abedi eche Dr. Mahamadu Baumia ekyere musa adisuafo amuwo ntoaso suku na ne atadwifo wa moso motedenne ni nyina ne se wose aban ne de hyehyɛ bi egu aponso a ene esosuani ba ku bia ya be ma ne tablet ba ko ane tablet a ye de besua de nti one student one tablet wose we aya aban ne hyehyɛ ya wade be sakra ehumesua eni enti sa tablet na ye de ba be ma adisuafo no wose textbook ayesu sei ma afei past questions no eno so ayesu sei ma nti wadusuani no wokita tablet na nya afei ni wadi textbook bia akwakoye bibie ama textbook na akoto nso ma akofo ni textbooks nya wa tablet nso nti wobie bia ni nyina na se wosua de wose akoba ni se ebeboa ama adisua ho sesem etimi akonkan sane wone na aban wo mani abre wadisua ho nti na bre bia no wo mo de hyehyɛ a wodro na egu apon so nti wei aye hyehyɛ foforo kra enkensu
We've implemented free Wi-Fi in our senior high schools. And one of the things that I'm very excited for this year, the Minister of Education has told me that we are on course this year to provide all high school students in Ghana with tablets which are loaded with textbooks on them for their studies. That is very, very a game-changing development, if you call it. And so we will have past questions and all of that preloaded on these tablets that will be distributed to all, and I pray that it will pass this year. But they are fully on course to do that.
AHENKAN933FM. Anyo, 1 student, 1 tablet, 2 osye na wo and to aso suku nani ya wonso no. What don't you a fee suku na nephew and shut out bet nephew no back on na tablet no. Ya cheja e kwabane saso ebe ha menso ebe ha me enti afi de brebi a school baby ebra na ne etenemu akosisa mo be makwan mo bia no watenemu ase ne be a tablet no wonso obenya bia busia ni eye mampani abedi eche Dr. Mahamadu Baumia.
Managing editor ma insight the Obuoba Ofori Kwasi Prat e de atoja se ewiasa fanani na babe toja se Ghana ye ka wo ma ekra amoa ye de afa mfidiem e de agu konkom ana e de agu rabam no Ghana ene o ma ye wiasa fanani na ye ka ne dodo a ye toso ma akomakom yensa no panyini kire se amoa ye de agu konkom ana ye de agu rabam no ne so man ye tumi kra ne se pa de na ze Ghana ya ka kire pa o se dodo na ye pia free Germany abrochirima mu na eba ebi nso on ma de free Burkina Faso ene eba o man mu na o che se ha adwen papa ezan se ene mebu on menu kwa se boye ka sa mo a de afam fidiem titimanto si ana tomato paste ni e kan dudu se de ni e ka de be na mana agina faako o se anu nti abri bia ni esam ye tam se ka jutudi ni esesa ne de $1 ene de e ka kan ko fa nyoma de free ama no ne ama titimanto sunso eno so sa o se ha adwen papa yo rei akasa chiremu san se e o se tutu na mo bi na yankasa nso ye pefidie bi ana yanso ye pebi ne ye du o mamu na de bia be krati tomato paste free ama no ne de e ban san na e ha adwen a e wiasa fa na ni na yakoto so miensa wo ka pompo ya ntoso an bia
Edien krenti die na ba enti a Ghana tomatoes ye to free Germany ye to Burkina de no but so we tomato paste produced in Germany. Ghana is the 3rd largest importer of tomato paste from Germany. How can you explain that? Who can explain that? No, as it's saying, Obedika, if that is the situation.
AHENKAN933FM. Ofori Kwasi Prat. No. Na osan to aso say America brochima mu wo mo kakra na eso chenyen. Na so ntutua bi ne nyoma do bia wo mo di gu akwan mu nyame adom. Hwe se de wo mo $1 na nya hoden ama ye de tipenten kwa wa bro ne na mo bonkomo a na e ha adwen papa eno so sikasem ene $1 onsensem ene nyoma do bia kra onsensem e wo Ghana ene America brochima mu entem no eno so kire mu sei.
Unum sa America de ka chen Ghana. Adenti an America de ka chen Ghana. Na American economy no any distress ye wo no. Adenti. Very simple reason. America for Kana omode no. It's in dollars. Woman kasisika. What you say? Omu deka omu bobosia. But it's in dollars. Enti so America for person mutu omu kana. Woman ko IMF nko World Bank ko ye na ye individual bondholders na the emblem. All they do is to print more dollars. I didn't Ghana ebre. Yes, you had Yaka can do America no. But Yaka it's in dollars. Yaka it's not in cedis, it's in dollars. If you had any Tiasaka, as I said, ye Juma producing your man, you bet me a ton in dollars. That is our headache. The structure of the global economy, no, and favoring.
En favoring nipa mutini ni Ofori Kwasi Prat or your managing editor. Ma insight the Obokrata.
Abusia ye toa ensam ne so na enrada. Ene amanyuku a wodwa na preference emtrofo nhyiemu. Wo mu sama wo makruchi nyina wo mu diguwa se yanimo. Esa afia ye kwakosi mu 2024 election year tese biye butubutu ankasa wo man mu. Ebesin 2020 de ne kranti no ma hyase preference emtrofo nhyiemu. wamadwempo wamudi tudwa na National Democratic Congress NDC amanyikuo ne nrada wano so friends mtwefo enhyiemu dwumadie nasie no ana wotwetwe ni pani a woda ekuo na no eye wonimonyamfo fififi avi kwate eje brede nsama wodro tudwa wokyerem so wamodi awomo ye mu bibia tentem so se ne be ya enkwabobo so ma womo enu nti womo presidential and parliamentary primaries ni nyina no wose abekwaso afiye mu onemum eye mebo so mene de toso edu emiensa into 30th May 2023 ana womo hwane womo de sa dwumadie ni nyina da esoso atimi ahyeso ne nkasa yem na wokyerem so enu nti na wose womo hwe bie nominations nti womo nominations nso wombe bie no wagefo bosome ne de toso aduonu emienu adekwa akosi aduonu enan 22nd to 24th February 2023 anakse wombe bie nominations nso atowo wato aso na ne wode to dwam a wo kyerem sa kwancha DFA ya disika na yo enu nti parliamentary candidate ni nyina wo bia beba befa form no wode ne bo to dwam wo wi an wo kyere sa ewanu kura no sa wo befa form na wie no fili wie na sa wo de kwa enu susu sika bi wo wo sa wutua enu nti sa pese ofa form ni bia wo se wo mo online wo betimi akoho www.ghanandc.com na ta sa wonso wakwa wo forms kama ne hu hia bia no wetimi ade atoso ana wo kyere sa wo mu bia nominations ni wo bibia wo hu akwanya so timi baba befa form ebegina sa parliamentary candidate no ewoso woni paako ne ye ekuoma a wode ne ho edom NDC amanyikuo no wancha ye kra emfie nan ane ne ebro so de ewoso wotimi enya.
The parliamentary primaries for the NDC shall be held on Saturday, May 13th, in accordance with Article 41 of the NDC Constitution. The election of parliamentary candidates shall be held at a venue within the constituency, as determined by the Constituency Executive Committee in consultation with the Regional Executive Committee in all the region qualifications. Person desirous of contesting for the position of parliamentary candidate of the NDC in any constituency shall, 1, be a citizen of Ghana who has attained the age of 21 years or above. 2, be a card-bearing member of the party in good standing who has paid his or a party membership dues in full. And here we specifically expect that you have paid over a period of 4 years. 3, be an active member of a branch of the party in the constituency, except as otherwise determined by the Functional Executive Committee, or except the person is a member of a foreign or external branch. 5, the person should not be a member of any other political party. The person must be qualified to be elected as a member of parliament under the provisions of the 1992 constitutions. Nomination forms shall be made available online for download on www.ghanandc.com, and a non-refundable fee, 5,000 Ghana cedis, will be paid online via the stipulated Momo or bank card. The completed Form A and the Form B shall be returned to the Elections Directorate of the constituency on the announced dates by the General Secretary after the payment of non-refundable filing fee of 40,000 Ghana cedis.
Auntie Abusia, no, where parliamentary candidate no one forms no, a buana natisa wadia to ja, abu basu nyina. Na when yam for fifi ya vikwate wa manaswa. Wa camera shabeja for the area pen woti esi aya mapeni dia no so presidential candidate no woti si wamo dia no so na wamo so dia no woti mi kyerɛ mu nea wobe oni ko ayesese ese wo fata ese woti mi gina atu frank ama NDC amanyikuo no wade ho hyehyɛ nyina to dwa sane wade parliamentary candidate dia to dwa sa woni akono ewo se woti mi dwa amanyikuo no be esemfie nan no wato ne boase kyerɛ presidential no so edimu.
Regulations regarding the conduct of the presidential primaries of our party, again made in accordance with Article 41 and 42 of our Constitution, and are designed to ensure the conduct of free, fair, and transparent elections for a presidential candidate for the NDC for the 2024 general elections. Now, the election of the presidential candidate shall be held on Saturday, the 13th of May, 2023. So effectively, our intention is to make sure that we have the presidential and the parliamentary primaries on the same date. So this is going to be done at voting centers in all 276 constituencies of the NDC, which include includes the SAL 1 catchment area. The national headquarters of the NDC shall constitute an additional voting center for all delegates from external branches of the party. It's an alignment of timetable, so we're going to have the same table for the presidential primaries as well. Opening of nominations will be between the 22nd February 2023 to the 24th of February 2023. Submission of forms and filing of nomination will be between 20th of March 2023 to the 22nd of March 2023. Vetting will be between 27th of March to 29th of March 2023. Appeal 30th of March to 6th of April.
Abusiani aya watracha ni penny at the National Democratic Congress NDC amanyikono onyumonyamfo fiavi kote
Kanema Yoma Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly KMA onimnyamfo kojo bonsu ade atuja se he ebredu se wo mu biepunu ama NDC amanyoko tse de wura fiave eken o se ebredu du se wa pese uba be tu franka ma amanyoko ni bia no wo mu biepunu tum se wam oyi ni ti se tam no ne kanema pani Owura John Dramani Mahama ade akwa siani so ye bole bambo de hia ono so eya santini mapa odzifufu papa otifufu ase edifufu pa oni besia nipa nyasam ketwa na onimnyafo kojo bonzu se die nti one kanema pani Owura John Dramani Mahama ebesia kan wo afranka tubra dibra no ene se enye se bia nanisa no anase bi okase waye bi nso onya de papa da bi o se anya no ntia na mom de ntia mo no so peso yi ni tibetu franka no ene se National Democratic Congress NDC amanyoko no wo mama mra no e hire se eye kabam kabi amemmo no wom didi dwuma enu nti emra ne amamre da ho no e che se party no eye kabam kabi amanyuku enu nti ono so wakonya se obetumi beyi ni ti se bibia nsi ni kwan ni bibia de dam de ene obeyi ni ti pa no nso aba betintim nkrata na watu franka edama NDC amanyuku no odumnyafo kojo bonsu eto ne nsam so ka biem se ebiem kanema pani Owura John Dramani Mahama wabebi na nso yese ogusu aye wababebi na eno nso kyerese wababe omampani ntipen no obuobia ewobia no odema no tinya se bi one ne babesia kan akotu frank engineers odinanim betwitwiri fom Davida ose onye sada na emum party no amamre ene namane ene ekyese kabimam kabinti anamo no nso eyiniti esanso hunu se so nya dibe na ono nso ebetumi aye adwuma no.
He did well. He did most of the projects that we wanted. We are talking about democracy. Right now here, you see, the party is a democratic party. And the rules and regulation of the party is that every 4 years, we have to run for office leadership. So that is the reason. It is not competing him just because he's done well or he hasn't done well. No, it is democracy that has allowed that. And there are a lot of things I have that I personally can do better and do well. He has done his best. He's one of the best that we've ever had. But even if he comes and win, okay, he's only going to do 4 years. In 4 years, you need a visionary leader who can complete 8 years. Because with 4 years, time is short. 4 years, time is very short. By the time you even make your cabinet and everything, 2 years is gone. So you would better have somebody who has an 8-year term, who can do a new phase, who can do an 8-year term. But I can assure you, he was very fantastic. He did well. He did a lot of good projects for Ghana, and Ghana did so well. So it is because of democracy. That is why we're in that competition. But it's not like we're challenging. No, it is not acrimonious. It is not disrespecting one as being the former president of this country, so I have to accord him all the respect.
Onipa motini ni ayakani mayo Emma Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly KMA onumnyafo kojo bonsu
Abusia yenyina ne semi so na yentonkra no nti Watchman Development Association ODA aya ankura kuaba ebe primpum tuo ama Watchman se ne be ya Watchman so betu ponemom waba kofo ne nsa enso nyankopon ani atanti ye frefre dom edom ane edi chichiri kronti fatuma bebo ye dia no na yempre Watchman empum 20 ne abeye nie wo beba ahenkan ye fam ye so ye haye Watchem aboabo wo ba no waba betro udin wo tro din wi a wetia 10 cedis afebu sumi bia no wo betia 10 cedis ya boabo ne nyina no ade apre Watchman empum tuo enchechemu bia simidie so na wafre emei 0594 467-029 0594 467-029 number eye mombo na bantu sika ne kura tumi de to so wo de to so anu aboye mu na wa kire yen so wo du sika to so na fe ya to aso afiri eho afei wo di dwa wo ton wade wo nkra bi a wo pesa wo to afabra ahenkan 93.3 FM so na ye mo hu daro eso ema wo ye boma ekwa echichi ye papa aso empempem ne echire ana etie ye yen hihye ye so de edafom ya base ye beboa amwadwuma tumpon wo de tumpon no na yen so ye de etumpon ti from marketing manager 0244 290093 0244 290093
Meko obi man so Gambia watu wasum awre wosema ba beto dwane se omampani de ma Gambia man no Adam Abaru e de atodwa se briche pa bono ni dodom se baako atu esanse wiase yewo yase obakofo enchedamfo ena obakofo nso santumi nkatanya mianim sanso ene duakro ejemfama ebu adwensu ni bakofo dream enso enipa din ewase ne bangalo Emmanuel Sapon President Adam Abaru say onipa one ni adwen onipa one ne fa adwen onipa one ne yentutuye awodroma Gambia manum amamuo no ekoso totin kakrakra wo Gambia manum no fofia ntoata watona nanom ewon sedo panyini da ya wansore watwenani ahweban onipa meka na sami eye na be de chire Vice President ema Gambia man no Bandara Aliu Juf opanyini da ya wansore watona nanom won sedo ya na Gambia mampani Adam Abaru ekasa ochemu no eno se yade bi ene bo no ye nam soma ye se omde nanam Gambia ono ma ompa ya sa pa be no eno omtam ni hi India maimu womde ni ko India nti wom gu so won kakra na se ade ende de owo ka so beje a obeje unu hweye ene se dia ba beto dwane se Gambia mampani endoda abedi echire Bandara Aliu Juf wafim ya ewo India abrochimemu na womo chese yade akra bi ene bo no enam so ma wom de nkoko piem wono na abon beye bosumi kakra ene akire nie na womo chirema ebre echeya womo hu no kra ye womo hu no obanju ewo Gambia man mu en se anche bia be bosumi de ko bosumi mienu ene wom de ne tu kwan ko India senka womo kwa kohwe asan yade ene se fofie antoato panyini ede atona nanom ewo nsiedo ti abra wosemasi ewo Gambia man mu no womo Vice President omampani abede chire ayefe no Aliu Bandara Juf opanyini daya wansori watona nanom ewo nsiedo ya awreho pa. Now we say I always salute Ahinkan News. For this I have give title to you this morning, Sweet and Meals. Sweet before meals kafra. Osia news said the denenti ono atena se adwin bolo Nyankopon de man no de atena se din abona dwon pa abona sound said the opodo do no en wa pedin ama ye news no enano pay say ye news anope no ye sweet before meals na say azemuje do no bobia no de akoya ntam koko ni kozi eja wajo o say greetings to Elder James Koba ene no kani bra penyin aban abam bra penyin abam openyin anto womu na osi ochia wo mpa bra ekolak edifi oman kronkron jaha ekolak oman kronkron jaha oman kronkron na mkwanye ena edi adwinjire by we say good morning. It will be very difficult for the NPP to break the 8 if the best agric minister ever, former agric minister ever, Dr. Ofori Amanfo is not elected to bear the flag of NPP. Or this woman to abayi Owura Koto every year pass NPP bebu 8 mu de woman pebe bi kramfa enye dwuma da nipa wakasa asemi NYBYOA odi Kumasi asantemantemu ena ebaye master planner junior kintampon so de ne dia base nyame nhira yen na ye bodwumaden pan news anopedie ejinem papa nemum ochia chief engineer Emmanuel Lai Odai incoming crow bra yati master planner junior kintampo ye dase anopei janwa bibi o ye producer anopei ye Kwabena Akim Chem esubuade hye baako pe Kwame Asante aka Sir Charles As obi asabro no so na enzuoto ana ewa wo brim. Wa mo no te se bi akokohwede a ope bia butu na watu ne nkosua. Onna busua no pay ode ko Facebook live and YouTube. Me din edikwaku anin kusi buadumene.
Mame